Okay. Hola! We are live. Good evening, good morning, or kung saan man tayo naka-watch today. So yes, we are live today. For tonight, I mean. So we are live here in Calgary. So listening and from Calgary. So we are all here in Alberta. So yes, guys, I am your host for tonight, and this my co-host is Ami and Sis Paulita. So yes, we are here tonight. We just had business talks about, of course, about our journey as an online business owner, and also we have our boxes for today for our special guest. So for tonight, we are introduce a little bit ourselves. Okay, so I'll go first. My name is Banjo Mendoza, a mom of two lovely girls, living here in Calgary with my family. And then my biggest why is my family, because I just want to have more time for them. And mamaya na, sit down muna dun. Ay, excuse me. Because my family is talaga is the best for me. That's why I'm here. I'm just go have little took a little faith for my family, not only for myself, but only also for my family. Okay, so yes, our okay, I'm just do for my co-host to just introduce themselves also. Okay, let's bring it on, says Ami or Amy.
Hello, everyone. This is Amy. I live in Alberta, Canada. I'm originally from Negros Occidental, Philippines. Hello, kumusta dagli sa mga taga Negros? Uh, and then I'm working casual in the senior home, and I'm also a proud digital business owner and mentor. Actually, I joined this business because that time I don't have a job. So that time it means I'm not ready for this business, but I push myself because I see the potential, I see the big community. So and
Hmm?
I also decided to go back to school because we juggling different kind na trabaho. So I see this business, and my why is I want to visit the Philippines. Since I moved to Canada, I'm not able to go back for just a vacation. So that's my why, and also not for myself to retire early. And I want to help my family more as well in the Philippines, or bringing them here someday to experience the nieve. So that's it for me.
Okay, okay, bring it on, sis Neng. Introduce
Hello,
yourself.
everyone. Good evening. Wherever you are watching us right now, we are live here. And my name is Nini Paulita Adonis, and I live in Alberta. I am the mother of four grown up children and a brand new grandma. And also, I joined this business because I have a why. My why is to uh, build a plan B for my future retirement. And because I am working as a full-time day home provider, my job, I'm juggling, and also it's a kind tiring job because I have six kids a day. And the reason why I took a leap of faith because I want to retire early and to have a financial freedom, to travel around the world without uh worrying about the clock. Because if you are a full-time working mom or parents, you have to set your alarm in the morning to get up for your work. So that's why I want to join and start my business. So I'm also uh I joined this business 2 years ago, and it gives me more confident, and I'm ready to explore in this business.
Okay, thank you, ladies. So for introducing ourselves. our viewers. We have a viewers for now. We had 1,000 viewers. So welcome to our live. So hello. So now we have a special guest. So we're just enough ourselves. We have a special guest for tonight. She's a boss mama and a coach, and also a mom of two. And then she's also busy mom, and then they are also business, traditional business, and also running also in the digital business in the background. So yes, let's help me welcome our guest for tonight, Sis Marge. So bring it on stage.
Hi, sis.
Welcome, welcome.
Hello. Thank you for having me. Um,
Okay,
again,
so okay, sis. This is our my just hang on. Okay, show. Okay, this is my our questions for today. So just introduce yourself, and just be yourself.
all right. So, hi, everyone. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are watching right now. So, to those who don't know me, and I am March, a mom of two, a wife, former food service, a housekeeping, a host, and also a proud digital business owner. And I also have excuse me, a side hustle, like, you know um, doing it on my own. While for now I don't have yet the job, so I do some taking orders from in our community. That's what I do for, not to get bored. At the same time, I'm making money as well. So, and also I'm helping my husband on his business. It's a traditional, and it's woodworking. So yeah, it's interesting because before my husband got the last time his business is a carpentry business. Now she's switching to the woodworking. It's kind of related, but looks like my husband is having fun doing this business because more on hands compared to the carpentry is very physical. But now, working to something that he loves to do. And now I am full time in this business, and you know I'm the boss in this business, so which is good. So yes, I'm gonna answer this question now. um how
How
you
you
get
get
started in
started?
this business? Okay.
Yeah.
I found this business when we were stationed in Alaska. So that was 2018, years ago. So it's a long time, but on and off, because we're moving a lot of states. So it's hard for my part, is because my kids is so young at that time, and it's so hard to handle, like, you moving again and again. But the good thing about the business is we can bring it with us wherever we go, as long as we have internet connection. So that's why
Yeah.
also I joined this business, because I want to grow as a person, and I want to help my husband financially. So even though I was skeptical at first, but I jumped in because I am curious, and I saw the possibility in this business. So yes, that's it. Maybe you have another question.
Yes, I have a question for you, Miss Marge.
Okay.
What made you yes for this opportunity?
I said yes to this business because we are ambitious girl. We have a big why. We want to help out, and we want more in our life. We want to have more vacation, and we want to spend more time with our family. And I saw this business, it makes me more inspired, because a lot of moms that I can relate to their stories, that they are successful in this business. So even they don't have any experience, but they're doing this business and they are successful. So I was like, I can do this too. So that's why I saw this opportunity that it will help me in the long run. That I can retire early, and I can help more with my husband, because it's so nice if we can help out sa asawa natin, di ba? Hindi lang sila laging nagpo-provide sa atin, kundi tayo na din. So this business is very big potential na maka-change sa buhay natin. So I said yes for this because I want more vacation.
Thank you, sis.
Start early.
Thank you. Okay, the next question is from myself. How has this business changed your life and your family?
This business changed our life because before I was working 2 jobs, and then once I get more money in this business, maybe after 6 months, I'm doing this business, and I saw a lot. I make more money, and then at that time my kids they're still young, and and then at that time also we're moving to another state. So ahead of time, I told my boss that I need to resign because my family needs me more. Kasi ano pa kasi sila, yung mga anak ko maliit pa. Tapos walang magbantay. So magbayad ka lang naman ng daycare, di ikaw na lang ang magbayad. So it's a good timing na ang business ko nag-bloom na siya, nag-grow na. So proud ako sa sarili ko na kahit nag-stop ako ng work, at the same time, my business nag-take over siya. So, I am so proud sa sarili ko na I'm making my own money on top of my job. So kung wala tayong job, no, at least meron tayong something na maka-replace.
Yeah,
So,
I agree.
So the best talaga ang business natin. Just keep going.
Never give up.
Yeah, that's right. So, I'm just also, okay, just, we still have, 12 minutes. So, yes, relate talaga ako dyan sa mga ganyang moms because when I saw my mentors ads, so, same, sila, parang almost the same age. So, I pray for it na maybe there is something I can work on na fit sa aking schedule at extra beside while looking after my daughter. Na I can do it anytime na as a mom or free sa aking schedule dahil para beside na I'm working full-time that time and looking for extra na hindi ko na kailangang maghanap pa ng another job or another extra income na kailangan mo nang mag-commute or umalis ng bahay. So, hinahanap ko lang, just I want to, possible na I can stay at home, work for any extra income while looking after my daughter. So, yun talaga ang ko. That's why nakarelate ako dahil that's why I'm jump in. And then I think this is, I said, my answered prayer. So, yes, let's go jump also for the next questions. Ano ba yun sa
Okay.
yun? Sis Annie?
Okay. So, how do you balance being a mom of two while running both a traditional food business and an online business with this business? Yeah.
Okay, so this business, I balance it really good because our business is run by automated system. So hindi na tayo nagbabantay sa business natin kasi kusa na siyang nagra-run for us, right? And it's 24/7 a day for us. And then about naman sa traditional, I make my own schedule too. So if I have my own appointment or whatever, so I can adjust it, and then it works also in our family because it's still I can control the hours. I want to accept orders, whatever like that. So still I can make people's food at the same time I'm making foods for my family. So I can it's on my time, like I can take orders now or not, like that. So it works both for me. So traditional and online business is really working good for us. So if I have extra time, I can still help my husband too.
Doesn't compromise.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
Like for me, I have a day home, so it's a traditional. Yeah,
Yeah.
an online business too. So as long as doesn't compromise our schedule,
Yeah.
because this is flexible and doable for us.
Very flexible.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's up to us. If it's work for us this way, then go for it. And if not, like, as long as it works with your family, because no matter what, families comes first, right?
Mhm.
So
Yeah,
make
it's
sure
true.
your families is taken care of before we taking care of others.
Yeah.
So I'm
Yeah.
so glad everything is worked out.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, for especially for me, everything it's work for me dahil hands-on mom. Hatid sundo sa aking bunso and then family first talaga sa akin and then after that sa aking spare time, yun ang ginagawa ko, answering business queries, working for my business. So every time, even saan ako magpunta or before clock in sa aking part-time, working for my business. So yan ang the best dito sa online business, flexibility. We can control our time, not the another way around. So yeah, that's the best for our business. So okay, so
Question
you're done
5.
with your sis Emmy, right? So yes,
Yeah.
this is my
Yeah.
questions. Yeah. Here. What is your advice to all parents or moms who are feel too busy, scared, or have doubt about starting an online business?
All right. So my advice to all parents, moms out there, if you see us now, if you see us our live tonight, and you are curious about what we do online, just check us out, because it's okay to be skeptical, doubtful, but don't stay that long, because you miss the opportunity. But because I myself, I was skeptical too, but I took a leap of faith, and then I do some research also. But I was asking a lot of questions when I saw this business too. I was like, do you think I can do this? But I saw a lot of moms too that I can relate,
Oh,
like
excuse me.
starting
Okay.
from skeptical,
Oh.
doubtful. But everything is rest, and you don't have to stay that way, because how to change your life if you are always like that. So it's all about your mindset, how you see things, that will help you out in this business. But
Ano si
believe in
Paano
yourself
yung
that you can do
yung
this. So to all
meron siyang
moms out there, you are very
okay. Pwedeng pahiram mo
out,
ako ng
that's okay, that's
noise?
normal. But don't stay long out there, because you're gonna regret. My
Kilikili.
regret is
Bit na yun.
my regret is uh how come I didn't found this business sooner. But I'm still glad that I still jump into this business. I'm still part of the community, that I can grow and be myself. I grow a lot in this business aside financially. So check us out. Connect with us. We have our names there, or our website. Don't hesitate to message us. We will help you step by step in this business. That's all.
Thank you. Thank you, sis.
Thank you.
Resonate for
Just got
that.
inspired.
Who's that? Stocky. Yeah, I resonate for that, sis, because for me, um, I'm shy and at first, I'm not skeptical. So, ang ano ko lang is, it's my answer prayer. So, I'm just trust God, I trust the process, and just go for it. As long I do the research, it's legit. And I know it's my answer prayer, but I always ask guidance kay God na, well, if this is for me, bigay mo ako ng sign dahil I think it takes how many nights na I can sleep dahil you have doubt, you're scared, but kumbaga yung naglaban-laban yung isip at saka puso mo na ano ba talaga? Because you have desired in your heart, you have a desire, the, you have to go for it. But in your mind, oh, I think I can do it, or alam mo yung, oh, maybe this is you can do it, or something. What if? Maraming what if. But actually, I'm here, almost 4 years in the business. So I am so proud of myself that I did it. Maraming benefits, maraming blessings, especially yung personal growth, yung skills, the mindset. It changed the mindset before, and then more nagiging mas matapang sa mga pagsubok sa buhay, at saka more on positive. Kahit kung ano man yung binabato sa ating mga sa ating paligid, sa ka-workmate or sa ating family na any bad, it's not good. Hindi naman asing bad na any negativity. So it makes more ako naging mas more on positive na lang yung binabalik ko. Even though sa aking ka-work, so even though may negativity, whatever, so just let it go, and then be yourself and be grateful what we have. So yan po ang lang sa akin din.
That's good.
Okay, so we still have time. So any questions or ask for us sa questions mo,
Yeah.
sis Marge?
Si Sis
I
Marge ang
think sis
magtanong.
Marge, yeah, she said may daw siya, may questions din daw siya sa atin. So yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Kayo din ba nag-start dito sa business? Skeptical din, 'di ba? Or nag-jump in kayo agad sa business na ito?
So, for me, okay. It's okay, sis Ning?
Yeah, go ahead.
So, nung napanood ko yung ad sa Facebook, nung mentor ko, that time I don't have job. But yeah, I kind of skeptical because, and then I'm not a business-minded person. I never joined way before, di ba sa Pilipinas popular yung wellness distributor or yung beauty product, mga ini kind. Hindi ako sumasali noon kasi ayoko bag friends. Yun yung pinaka number one, yung bag friends. Ayoko yung offer. Kasi na-feel ko sa sarili ko yung mag-offer. Parang napapilitan ako bumili kasi it's my friend. Yung parang ganon. So,
You
nung
are
nalaman
bagging
ko yung
friends.
business, sabi ko, okay, I think I can do it. I know I'm shy. Tapos nakita akong katulad kay Sis Banje, yung most or not majority, but I saw nga galing din sila daw sa mahiyain. Pero nagawa nila, sabi ko, okay, I think I can do it too kasi it's yung system natin. Built-in system. Kumbaga nandun na. So, you just apply to yourself. So, I think I can do that because I go to school. So, I think everything is just you have to learn, right?
Yeah,
You
as
have
long
to
as you
put
know how to
yourself.
read and write, then you're all set.
Yeah.
You're in.
So, yeah, I'm inspired with all the people in the community with different culture, background, professional, doctor or non-professional. So, doon I'm inspired. I kind of skeptical because maybe it's a scam because I don't know the person.
Yeah.
So, yeah, but yeah, I do my due diligence. I ask question, but I think, so I saw the ads, I message in 3 days. I pay the 149 in what's the video right away. So I watch the video but I decide uh in exact 1 month because yeah, I don't have money. Because this is legit business. So there's a
You start up.
yes, startup capital. So I keep bugging my husband. I said, I think I can do it. I see my future here. So this is my dream that God gave it to me because I said I'm not a business minded, and then I don't want to become a business because you have to pay all the like traditional, right? The rent, the person.
Storage.
Yes, the
The
storage and everything.
place.
I said, I don't want that. My dream is only to work. Like Monday to Friday, like office job. That's my dream. Just office job and enjoy the weekend or something like that. That's it. I said I don't want business. I don't want that business because that's
But you're
tiring.
here
You
now.
need to, yeah, you need to start from the bottom to go up. Like, what kind of business from the bottom? Like the popular nowadays that become
Word
called that.
Pyramid,
pyramid. Pyramid.
Like,
MLM,
no, like the McDonald or
Now,
whatever, that they
guys,
start from
or
the bottom.
franchise.
Yeah, franchise, sorry. Like franchise too. My husband told me about franchise. Maybe we'll franchise Jollibee. I said, no, I'm thinking,
Million. If you have
yeah.
million.
I said, you can bring all your relatives here. And uh, I said no. So I stopped that. But I made it. I asked him, we borrow of his line of credit to pay this business.
Okay.
And now it's paid.
that's a good one.
Me, I jump in. Because I was, before I started, I promised myself, before I turn 50, I want to do something. I was researching from Philippines, franchise, but nobody I can trust there. My sister doesn't want to do
That's
because she's scared that what if she will fail and I will blame on her. So what did I do? I was on the Facebook, watching, and then I was jump into it, and then I said, I don't feel like I'm not skeptical. I'm not scared. I just, when I watch the scene, oh, the one that is inspired me during that webinar, they said, if you start like lights attracts to lights. So that's why I took that this one. I took a leap of faith, and I don't even look back what happened if I failed. I don't have feeling that negativity before. But yes, this business, there are lots of ups and downs, but it's up to us. We have to to pursue our dream because there is a potential in this business. There is lots, like we are building our legacy that we can transfer it to our loved ones or children.
true.
Although my children doesn't believe me, but I am positive and I'm keep going. That's all that I can share with you
That's the
guys.
spirit, sis. Keep it up.
Yeah.
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 Oh,
Sis,
you're muted.
Uh,
Okay. Yes, in this business, we can take a break, pause, reset. So, but as long now we never give up, so we will win. We will
yeah.
claim it. So,
we
yan ang
will.
ano natin. Never give up. Any obstacles or any trials in our business, in life or in business, hahawiin lang natin yan. Kasi for sure, if you believe in yourself and you work for it to make it happen, there's nothing impossible. So,
That's
yan
right.
ang ano natin. So, yes, what else?
I think that's it for now. Oh my God, we're the
Yeah,
perfect timing, huh?
Yeah. 10
yeah,
minutes
that's
more.
Yeah.
perfect.
Yeah.
We
So
have
keep keep pushing and keep going with your dream. That's all.
yeah.
And for those who are watching us right now as well, don't worry. This business is 100% legit because we have a tax T4 here in Canada. Yeah.
And
And
So
here,
US
we have, what's
T
that?
zero
W
09.
W99?
for the USA.
Yeah.
Ano USA ko
So
W99?
zero. Yeah. I
Yes,
think
and
yes.
then it's already another year po na naman. So we are busy na naman for searching, magsusort ng ating mga receipts. So
Yeah.
yes, end of December for the 2025. So me, mostly, I file my tax month of March or April. So yes,
Mhm.
started na naman magsusort out tayo dahil for me,
Mm.
any
That's right.
expenses we can claim as long as a part of the business. So
Yeah.
mostly for me, gas, my phone bills, whatever, as long as related for the business, we can claim.
Travel
That's why I
or
always have a refund. So I'm so grateful. And my husband and my daughter, it's a family business. So not only have benefits for this business, also my family. Dahil ipag nagke-claim kami ng aming tax, minsan hindi kiniklaim sa akin, dini-divide sa aking family. So everybody claiming a refund, not only me. So yan ang ginagawa ng accountant ko. So it's yeah, it's a blessing. for my family too. So that's it.
That's it. Yeah.
Thank you for accepting our invitation for you, Marge. And nice to meet you on where on Zoom or kind of what's that? StreamYard.
We're live StreamYard. So yes, you can also reach out to us, Sis Mars, kung kung gusto mo rin ng, do some interviews, whatever in the future, kung
Yes.
business talks, moms to moms, whatever.
Yes,
Mm.
pwede.
Mm.
Pwede. We
Nice.
have more chit-chatting in the future.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
So itong
Masaya.
natin ngayon, rest na remaining just parang nag-uusap lang tayo, parang nagchichismis lang tayo. So we're done for our business talk. So now about our journey, whatever kung ano yung gusto niyong i-share. So just feel free to share any
Yeah.
just share whatever na nakakatulong din sa ating viewers or whatever. O any additional informations sa ating
Okay, so
business.
I want to invite you guys. We have a live workshop tonight. It's already started, but there's always a replay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
so just go to our website or message us if you are not comfortable to go to our website. Just simply message us so we can guide you right away. So we have every Tuesday and Thursday,
Okay.
7 o'clock Central Time and 8
6
p.m. Eastern Time and Mountain Time.
6
o'clock.
p.m.
6 p.m.
Mountain
Yeah.
Time. So yeah, guys, you just connect with us because so we will rise together, right?
Yeah. We have the best
So don't
community
miss the time.
helping each other. So
Yeah.
yes, that's the beauty of that.
Yeah,
You don't feel alone in this journey.
Yeah.
that's why, and that's the promise in our community. That's why everyone is, we're together because our community finds something else that we can, get together and we can,
Yeah.
be with each other. So there's a lot of activities that everyone can connect. So yes, you are not alone in this business, and we have each other. As long as you don't
Yeah.
give up, just
Give up.
chase your dream. Go for
That's
go.
that's true.
Okay.
Okay,
you.
okay. Thank you, sis, for accepting our
For having us tonight, for
helping
being our
us.
guest.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Thank
having
you for your time. And also for my co-host, thank you for joining us here live in my page, so business page. So yes, thank you and have a good night, everyone. So we just and end of this live. So okay, yeah, have a good night and God bless.
Have a good night.
Bye.
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 Bye bye. In